Okay, for like 3 months I've been looking for a sump pump check valve that doesn't leak and doesn't clunk when the flapper closes. And these are all the check valves that I've tried so far, each claiming to be silent, leak proof. This one's made in Canada. This one, guess what? Made in USA. There's another one. I got a second one just in case. One was defective, but actually both of them are defective. This one I got at Lowe's, I think, or Home Depot. It's claimed to be a clunkless, silent, leak-proof check valve. It sucks. I got the other one just like it on there right now, and it's keeping me awake at night. This is the old check valve that I had on there. It was on there for like 5 years, and it just finally went bad, but it still clunks. Same with this one, same type. Just ordered another one on Amazon claiming to be leak proof and silent. We shall see.